So when you are looking for peanut butter, it's so important just to look at the ingredients and make sure they have recognizable, pronounceable ingredients and as few of them as possible. So for example, I right now I'm having this brand of peanut butter, and if you look all the way at the ingredients, it pretty much just says one ingredient, dry roasted Valencia peanuts. That's exactly what you want, one ingredient for any nut butter. So guys, and one of the main reasons I like Trader Joe's, especially is because of their peanut butter and nut butter aisle, is not so overwhelming. They don't have tons of options, but of the ones they have here, I will tell you the ones I like.